What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BBIG ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that drives the price of this company higher and higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and what should you expect from the price section. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, right before we hit this resistance line, and I've told you that we have to break it to the upside because we have a decent volume of this breakout, and we also have some major catalysts that have to impact the price of this ticker. And as you can see, it happened on October 14th. We have this massive volume with this huge candle, and from our accumulation point from this double bottom, you're up for about 57, more than 58%, and it is really impressive during just several sessions. And right here on October the 20th, we have this line. It is a deadline of the record date for tight spin-off dividend. And you might ask why it is October the 20th and not the October 22nd. And I will show you in my fundamental analysis in just several minutes. And it is extremely important. So let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. And first of all, let's start with its numbers. For now, this company has a total market cap of $683.87 million. They have a revenue of $13.91 million with a revenue growth of 75.11%. They have negative net income of $250.94 million, and their cash position is $75.65 million. So this company from the financial standpoint is not the best, but definitely it has some upsides with their financials, and that's why we have to be very cautious with this price action. And let me show you the recent catalyst. Right here on their events calendar, we have October 14th as an 2021 annual meeting of stockholders, and I don't know what are the results of this annual meeting. I just see this massive spike in price, and my assumption is that something happened really impressive on their shareholder meeting, and we have to keep in mind that for now we have October 22nd as the record date for tight spin-off dividend. And why the deadline is October the 20th, and it is really important. We have a T+2 rule, and if you Google T+2 rule, you will find this definition. Under the new market-wide T+2 settlement cycle, most securities transactions will now settle in 2 business days of their transaction date. This means if you want to buy or sell certain share, you will become a shareholder or you will be eliminated from the list of shareholders within the next 2 days. And this means if you want to be in this record date as a holder of BBIG stock, you have to buy this stock before October the 20th. It is really important to make a call to your support desk of your brokerage, because different brokerages might have different rules, and the main rule is T+2, but we also might have a T+1 rule. This means we might have October 21st as a deadline, and that's why you have to call to your brokerage and you have to discover this question by yourself. So, and let's continue with other catalysts that might be the real catalyst for now. And on apewisdom.io, and this website tracks all the activity around Reddit communities related to certain stocks, we have Vinco Ventures on the 10th place, and it's up for 2 positions, and it has 159 mentions, and it has 99% increase in these mentions during last 24 hours. And it has a very good number of upvotes, of 1,292 upvotes. This means this company still have very good possibility to move even higher. On top of that, let me show you that on stocktweets.com on watchers section we have BBIG ticker on the 3rd place with a number of mentions of 863. And on top of that, let me show you that Vinco Ventures has a short interest of more than 24.36%, and it still has a possibility to short squeeze the stock, and that's why we might have some major price action before this date. and that's why we still have a possibility to go even higher. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, first of all, we broke this resistance of this sloping channel, and this resistance gives us a very good opportunity to have a huge move to the upside, and it happened. And right here, this previous support slash resistance was a really good next resistance for the price action, and we broke it. We broke it with the good conviction of volume. This means we still have a possibility to go even higher, but for now, the higher the price goes, the more dangerous it becomes to have a long position, because the indicators becoming more and more overbought. And let me show you on hourly time frame. We are hovering in the board of overbought territory, and the next leg might be right here to the overbought territory, and this means we might see some trend reversal, and that's why you have to be cautious. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this stock? In my opinion, we have a possibility that this is the top of our fifth wave. And let me show you that potentially we might have from this low, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth and fifth. And if it is the case, we should have a retracement, and in my opinion, we might go to the level of $6.94 to this resistance, to this support slash resistance, and we might go higher from this level. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the first wave to the top of the fifth wave, let me show you that we have a decent confluence level with the 0.382 level with this support line, and the next levels also might be your accumulation point if we will go lower, and if this asset will spike up before October the 20th. So that's why, in my opinion, you have to put your money into this asset only if you're ready to lose it all, because for now it is quite dangerous, but the upside potential is really impressive. We still have a very good possibility to squeeze all the shorts, and we still have a possibility, let me show it to you on a 4 hours time frame, to hit our previous support line slash resistance, and it is the all-time high level of $12.46. And from our current price, or potentially from the price where we might land and where we might have the trend reversal, we potentially might have up to 72% to this resistance line. And if it is the case, it is really impressive to have this risk to reward ratio, because the downside potential from our current price is not more than 12 to 13% if this level holds. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious, and remember that you have to call to your brokerage in order to discover what type of rule they are using, and in order to discover is T+2 rule is the main rule for your brokerage. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!